Have you ever heard someone say, "That was a monstrous mistake," or "He has a monstrous appetite"? Does it mean something related to a monster? Let's discover the true meaning of this powerful word. The word monstrous is pronounced MON-struhs. It is an adjective, which means it describes a noun. In simple English, monstrous means very large, shocking, terrible, or extremely wrong. It can describe something huge in size, or something morally very bad. Sometimes, it is also used to emphasize something in an exaggerated way. The basic definition of monstrous is extremely ugly, cruel, shocking, or unusually large. It comes from the word monster, but we mostly use it to describe actions, behavior, or size, not actual monsters. Let's look at some easy synonyms of monstrous. Huge, enormous, terrible, horrible, shocking, cruel. For example, instead of saying a monstrous building, we can say a huge building. Instead of a monstrous crime, we can say a terrible crime. Now let's understand some antonyms, which are opposite words. Small, tiny, kind, pleasant, good. If something is not monstrous, it might be small, gentle, or acceptable. Here are some real-life example sentences. She made a monstrous mistake by ignoring the warning signs. The company made a monstrous profit this year. The dictator committed monstrous acts against innocent people. After skipping lunch, he had a monstrous hunger. Notice how the word changes meaning depending on the situation. Sometimes it describes size. Sometimes it describes behavior. And sometimes it simply adds strong emotion to a sentence. Using words like monstrous makes your English more powerful and expressive. Instead of always saying very big or very bad, you can use one strong word. Keep practicing new vocabulary and build your confidence step by step. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.